Welcome back, Crammers. Question 19. The diagram shows rectangle ABCD. Work out perimeter of the rectangle. Show your working clearly. We can see that side AD is equal to side BC. So that means 5x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 7.4. We can then bring all the like terms to their respective sides. We have 5x minus 3x is equal to 7.4 plus 1. 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 8.4. So we divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. That means x is given to us as 4.2. Now we can rewrite this as 5 into 4.2 minus 1. We can use a calculator here. We have 5 into 4.2. Then subtract 1 gives us 20 is equal to 20. And since we know that side AD is equal to side BC, we can assume that this is 20 centimeters, this is also 20 centimeters, side AB is equal to DC, so this is also 24 centimeters. So we can simply write this as 20 plus 20 plus 24 plus 24. This simplifies to 40 plus 48, or 88 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.